Let's do it from
Like from the beginning?
Yeah, from
Alright, come on.
We'll delete it.
I just restarted just now.
Yo, so what's good, YouTube? This is your boy Reggie.
And your girl Jada.
Today we back
at it with another video.
Yo, so today's videos are gonna be a little bit different. Today what we're gonna be doing, as y'all can tell from the title, we're gonna be telling y'all how to get 100 subscribers in one day.
Yeah, our secret recipe, 5 easy steps that you guys can do to gain 100 subscribers in one day.
By the way, this is just our little tips and tricks. This is how we do it. Exactly. It might not apply to everybody, but most likely if you guys, you know, put those concepts towards what you guys are doing, whatever niche that you guys have, you know, most likely you guys gonna get about 100 subscribers
in one day. So first, give this video a big thumbs up. Comment any video suggestions that you guys may have, and you guys better not leave without subscribing.
That's right, guys. Go subscribe, show some love, join the family.
Exactly, join the JR fam.
Yep.
But first, before we get into this video, check out all of our previous videos that we've recently posted. We posted a couple new reaction videos, so make sure you guys go check those out.
We'll have a little card up there, you know, maybe right here.
Okay guys, so without further ado, let's get straight into this video. Alright guys, so tip number 1 is timing. It's all about the timing that you post your video. You don't want to make sure to post your video on a day that people aren't busy. So Fridays, Saturdays, when people are out clubbing with their friends, hanging out with their family, you know, getting a jiggy in the club. That's probably not that's probably not the best time to post your videos, simply because, you know, people aren't really gonna be watching it Sunday morning when people are at church. Probably not the best idea to post your video at that time. But what times are the best times to post your video?
Honestly, from what we noticed, the best times to post a video is to maybe start around 12 o'clock. You don't want to do it too early because not everybody wants to wake up early. Exactly. Believe me, I don't want to wake up early. I like to, you know, stay in and sleep. But the best time to actually post a video is probably maybe like 12 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 6 o'clock, and even 8 o'clock. But I wouldn't go no later than 8 o'clock to go ahead and post a video. And as far as days, you know, as Jada, you know, already told you guys, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday is it's the top days to post a video. Unless, you know, since we do reactions, if something comes out on Saturday, obviously we're gonna do it on Saturday.
Exactly.
On Sunday, and something comes out 12 o'clock p.m., we're gonna do that because that's what we do, you know, for our channel.
Yeah, so it depends for you, you know.
Exactly. So you gotta basically go and find out your niche. What time do people in your niche want to watch you and what you're doing?
Exactly. You know? Also, another thing to keep in mind is time zone. So if you are Eastern Standard Time and there are, you know, half of the freaking country is ahead of you, you gotta just keep that in mind too when you're posting. Because for instance, if you're posting at 9 o'clock Eastern Time, it might be freaking 6 o'clock somewhere else in the morning. So you're trying to get each area. You know, you want to get each area, make sure that it's a good time for everybody. Okay guys, step number 2 is search. And by search, I mean make sure you are posting what people are searching for. Because we understand that people like doing vlogs and stuff like with their personal life, but in the beginning it's kind of hard to do that, and we learned by trial and error.
You know, for 100 subscribers a day, you know, we're basically right now we're targeting people, you know, who have, you know, less than 100, people who just want to
get that first push, you know, that initial push.
Exactly.
So with like having like a vlog channel or something that's not searchable, people don't really know you in your beginning stages of YouTube, so it's kind of hard. And like I said, we learned that from personal experience. We will put a picture above here showing how many views that we got when we first started our channel when we were doing vlogs. And it's tough because that's just more people that are around you and know you to like watch your type of
exactly.
stuff.
Who's gonna watch the Orange Family when, you know, we don't know who the Orange Family is?
No one knows who the Orange Family is.
We're not gonna watch you guys because we don't know who you are, so we're not gonna just go and, you know, get engaged to you guys when we don't know, you know, who you guys are.
Exactly.
So, you know, what she's saying is very important about search.
So make sure you guys have a good title, good description, a good topic. If you see that something is trending, your best bet is to probably make a video on whatever's trending.
Don't get discouraged because somebody
exactly.
Don't get discouraged because somebody did something already. You know, say you see somebody jumping on a trampoline, they got 1 million views. You're gonna be like, shoot, why can't I go out there and get 1 million views? I have a trampoline. Let me go and jump on that.
I have a side note on that. Like he said, just because somebody else is doing something does not mean that you can't do it, because there's gonna be a certain.
Doesn't mean you can't do it better than they can.
That's what I was gonna say. So basically, there's gonna be certain people that might gravitate towards that person, but there's gonna be a whole other crowd that might gravitate towards
Exactly.
you.
I can go and watch one video and they have maybe 10 million views, and then I go watch the same video over again, and I'd be like, I don't really like that first video, but that second video,
Exactly. So no matter what you post, the people who are like you are gonna gravitate towards you no matter what.
Exactly. Alright guys, so tip number 3 is interaction. You guys have to interact with your audience. If you guys even have 10 people watching you guys and they comment maybe 2 comments down, don't ignore their comments.
Exactly.
Go down there, read the comment, and then
respond
and interact with them. Because at the end of the day, they just joined your family.
Exactly.
Do you not want to talk to your son or daughter?
Your friend, your best friend, your mama, your grandmama.
You
never know. I mean, and the thing is, they're people just like us, just like you. You know what I'm saying? So they want interaction too. If they like something on your video, they're gonna express it. So you need to express your appreciation on them commenting, because they didn't have to take the time out of their day to comment on your video, but they did because they appreciate your content. So you want to make sure that you're showing that same exact appreciation back to your subscribers.
It can be a hate comment, and if it is a hate comment, because honestly, at the end of the day, you're gonna start getting those. You're gonna start getting people who didn't, feel or understand what you were doing or you're trying to get to. Because at the end of the day, it's still a critique. It's still a critique. You're gonna get critique.
You're gonna get critique.
It's just part of the game. It's gonna happen.
Yeah, and you can't knock somebody down because of their opinion. So that's another thing. Being on YouTube and just being on social media in general, people are going to have their opinions about you and whatever the case may be, but you have to respect other people's opinion. Just how you have your own opinion, they have theirs, and you can just come to a mutual understanding. No hate, good vibes. I mean, I feel like that is something you should really create your channel off of, just good vibes and love and just fun. Because I mean, YouTube, it's a hobby.
It's a hobby.
It's what we do because we like to do it. So I feel like making sure that you stay on good vibes and good terms with your subscribers and your whole YouTube community, that will also help you as well.
Exactly.
Okay, so tip number 4 is consistency.
Okay. I mean, like, this is pretty obvious. If you don't post, you won't get views. If you don't get views, you won't get subscribers. If you don't get subscribers, you're definitely not gonna get likes.
Yeah.
Okay, so, consistency is it might be one of the biggest things you can do.
We actually should put this as number 1.
It's probably number 1. Consistency is the biggest thing. Don't be posting 1 video a month as well, 1 video a week. Even that, I wouldn't even try, especially if you're trying to grow your channel. You
want to aim for at least posting a couple times a week. I would say 3 times a week if you could really do it, because the thing is, the more you post, the more you're going to grasp a different type of people.
Exactly.
Depending on if you're changing up what you're doing your videos on, or like how we do. We don't just do a certain genre of reaction. We try to react to a whole bunch of different things so that we, gain a bigger audience.
Alright, so yeah.
Stay consistent. Stay consistent. Alright guys, so the 5th and final tip on how to gain 100 subscribers in 1 day is marketing. You need to market yourself. If you are starting a YouTube channel, essentially you're branding yourself. You are setting yourself up for what you want to be in the future. So you need to share all your videos on Facebook, share them on Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, any social media platform that you have. Share it to your friends, your family, whomever, because that's really gonna get you like that foot in the door. Like,
wait, Jada, what if you don't have that many followers on Instagram, Facebook, or whatever social media platform out there?
So if you guys really don't have a lot of followers on any of those platforms, our suggestion is, if you have your YouTube channel, comment on people's videos who are similar to the type of videos you're making. Ask them to check out your channel, post on comments. I mean, you really have to market yourself. Any way that you can find a way to kind of get yourself out there is perfect. If that's kind of not your thing, if you're kind of a little bit more reserved, you don't want to, take that extra step to do that, talk to your friends and family in person.
Just ask them, hey, do you mind sharing my content on there? Oh, we almost forgot. Okay, so guys, you guys can write down in the comments. We really don't care. Y'all can write down as much as you want, you know. This can be a way for you guys to get subscribers. You know, you guys can maybe be like, okay, I'm starting a channel. We will definitely check out your channel and see, you know, what you guys have going on.
Yeah.
And who knows, somebody else that comments down with
just
that been watching this video and wants to, you know, get something.
Yeah, just completely spam the comments because you never know who's gonna see you from that comment. Give a brief explanation on what your channel is about. Say, listen, if you sub to me, I'll sub to you. If you comment, whatever the case may be,
do whatever you
set up whatever you want. I mean, we're here to help each other grow. As you can see, we don't have that many subscribers. We are almost hitting 600. We started less than a month ago, so actually it might be a month.
Maybe 3 weeks.
3 weeks to a month right now. Also guys, be on the lookout because we are going to be doing a giveaway once we hit 1,000 subscribers. We will be posting a whole video dedicated just to our giveaway and the details of what prize we are giving away. Should be once we hit around 750 subscribers, we will go ahead and post all those details. So make sure you guys be on the lookout for that giveaway because you guys do not want to miss
out. Don't miss out. Okay guys, so as you can tell, 400 subscribers is what we had. You know, we're very low. We're still pretty low. We had 400 subscribers, and then that was on the date of January 22nd, 2019. That was our milestone for 400 subscribers. We also used TubeBuddy to, you know, print out our milestones. If you guys want to know how to do that, we'll have a different video to let you guys know how to print out your milestones. 500. You already know.
Next day.
Actually, what's the next morning?
It was literally the next morning.
The next morning, we hit 500 subscribers.
Alright guys, so that was our 5 tips on how to get 100 subscribers in one day. If you'd like to give this video a big thumbs up, comment if this worked for you guys. We would love to know. We definitely want you guys to interact in the comments. And since you guys watched this whole video, if you're here, I mean, you might as well subscribe.
Subscribe to us, guys. You already feel me? We help you out. We give y'all those tips, and y'all can see the proof. Hold on.